Good morning, students. In previous class and lecture, you will know about principle and techniques to give the international or biological or scientific name of organism. Now, today's topic will be taxonomic categories or hierarchy. Students, after classifying the vast number of animal and plant species into a group, and with the help of taxonomy, there is laws and principle or methods are given by ICBN and ICZN, which both are governed under the IUDS. These both institutions are work under the IUDS. The abbreviation of ICBN stand for International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Yes. This committee helps and thought about the giving scientific name of the plants as the botanical term derived from the branch of biology, head branch of biology, botany. Likewise, the abbreviation of ICZN stand for International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Zoological Nomenclature. These both committees are working under the IUDS. IUDS is the head committee of ICBN and ICZN. Now, students, we also know about the abbreviation of IUDS, International Union of Biological Science. Biological Science. Thus, students, the International Union of Biological Science is the head branch of International System of Bionomenclature. Now, there is need of taxonomic categories so that the varieties of species can be studied under the particular heads. Due to great variation and varieties as well as variability, the biologist frame different strata in an assigned way so that the study of these grouped organisms can be easily understood with the related group of species in which the organisms are organized on the basis of similar characteristics. To know about taxon level of taxonomic categories, first of all, we will discuss about what are the 7 taxonomic groups are given by IBS. Students, the first of all, we taken species. Next, in classification, the next term used genus, after genus, order, class, order, family, phylum, or division. The term division is used for plant classification, plant species classification, and at least the highest categories of taxonomic level is kingdom. If we take these taxonomic groups in ascending order, then we will find that species is the fundamental and basic unit of classification or taxonomic categories. Then how will we define species? Let us see that species, it is a group of organisms having one or more similar characteristics are close together and grouped into a particular taxonomic category is known as species. Thus, students, species is the basic or fundamental unit of classification. Next to the species, group of more than one species resembles the similar characteristics are grouped and are united together into a particular taxonomic category known as genus. For example, Panthera is generic name for lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Likewise, the genera Felis also includes the organisms like lion, cats, etc. What is the similarities among the genus Panthera and Felis? The genus Panthera and Felis both are similar due to their mode of nutrition, because both take their nutrition as a carnivore, or you can say that they usually represent the similarities of carnivorous mode of nutrition. Thus, students, here we notice that the genus Panthera and Felis both are close together on the basis of mode of nutrition, as well as their jaws possess sharp canines and their digits have very sharp edges in their nails. That are the similar characteristics due to which the presence of more than one similar characteristics in the species can be grouped into a genus. Now class is the another higher level of taxonomic categories. More than one genus having similar characteristics can be arranged into a particular class. Let us know it by this example. Class Mammalia. Students, this class comes under the phylum Chordata as well as Carnivora and some of the two genus which are included on the basis of mode of nutrition. The class Mammalia includes such kind of animals in which the females gave birth to their young ones, and the female feeds their young ones with the help of milk due to presence of mammary. Now students, class Mammalia includes the animals such as cow, dogs, buffaloes, as well as human. What is the common differences among them? They are vertebrates, and in cow and buffaloes we can say that these both are total herbivore. They intake their nutrition by consumption of plants and plants product, whereas the dogs and human can be categorized under the omnivorous mode of nutrition under the holozoic nutrition. because they not only intake plant and plant product as their nutrition, but also feed upon the fleshes or meats of other animals. Thus, students, the another level of taxonomic categories is order. Order is the higher level of taxonomic categories in which more than one classes having similar characteristics are grouped under a taxonomic category known as order. Taken an example to understand this taxonomic categories. If we are talking about the order Primata, this order includes the animal species like monkey, gorilla, gibbon, etc. Students, as we know that the origin and evolution of human beings was take place by monkey. It means monkeys are the ancestor of human beings. How the human civilization evolved from the monkey, it is very interesting point. During the old age, first of all, on our earth, first ancestor of human was not monkey, that was shrimp. After shrimp, tertiaries. After tertiary, lemurs are come. After lemurs, the old world monkeys like the old world monkeys like monkey and ape, and the new world monkey. Further, they get developed into new world monkey like gorilla, gibbon, chimpanzee, orangutan, like the categories of monkeys. These are known as the new races of monkey species. From them, first of all, Australopithecus, after that Ramapithecus, after that Cro-Magnon, after that Neanderthal, and after that Homo habilis, and at last the human species evolved, that is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the biological, or you can say that scientific name of man. Thus, students, we more discussing about the evolution of human beings, origin and evolution of human beings in coming chapters. But here, let's come on our topic, the order Primata. Thus, beside the Primata also includes all the kinds of vertebrates, either they are found on land or in water, or they can fly in the air. Now students, the another taxonomic categories of family. Family is a group of more than one order having similar characteristics. If we are taking the example of brinjal and potato, both are coming under the family of Solanaceae. Yeah, Solanum nigrum and Solanum tuberosum is the botanical name of these both species. They belong to family Solanaceae. Now, more families group to form a larger group known as phylum. Taking the example of a phylum, Chordata. It is the very vast phylum and highly developed phylum in which the all animals are namely called chordates. They possess the vertebral column, which is hollow cylindrical. Their nervous system is well developed type, and they have pharyngeal gills cleft are such a developed type of respiratory organs for the oxidation of food substances. Now students, more than one phylums unite to form kingdom. Kingdom is the topmost taxonomic level of the living world, because Aristotle, the father of biology, the father of science, or you can say that the father of zoology, firstly gave two systems of classification, because he divides the whole living world into two kingdoms. The first one is kingdom Animalia and the another one is kingdom Plantae. More about this topic you can visit on our PDF notes. Thanks students.